Imagine waking up in a stunning off-grid tiny house, nestled on a hill with breathtaking views all around. This modern masterpiece combines wood and glass, featuring a sleek of sloping roof and a cozy front deck, perfect for enjoying nature. Surrounded by lush trees and open skies, this house offers the perfect escape from city life. And ready for tour? Let's step inside and explore this architectural gem. Wow, just look at this stunning modern tiny house. The combination of warm wooden texture, massive glass windows, and that perfectly flat ceiling gives this space such a clean, cozy vibe. And this is the kind of place where you can wake up, sip your morning coffee, or enjoying the beauty of nature, all from the comfort of your home. And one of the standout features here is definitely those floor-to-ceiling windows. Just imagine the natural light pouring in during the day. It must feel so refreshing. And of course, they offer an absolutely breathtaking view of the surrounding forest, making you feel completely connected to nature. And alright, let's check out the kitchen. Despite the compact space, this kitchen is well designed and functional, and we have got wooden cabinetry that seamlessly blends with the rest of the interior and a sleek countertop and just enough space to prepare meals without feeling cramped. Honestly, for a tiny house, this is more than enough to cook up something amazing. And now let's talk about this loft bed. I love how they have designed with the staircase rather than a ladder. It just makes getting up there so much easier and safer. And from up here, you get even better view through those massive windows. Can you imagine falling asleep while looking at the stairs? There must be such a peaceful experience. Even in compact space like this, there's still room for a cozy little lounge area. The setup is perfect for reading, working, or just relaxing with a cup of tea. And the wooden elements throughout the house make it feel so warm and inviting. And with all this natural light, the space feels much larger than it actually is. And one of the things I absolutely love about this home is how well it balances minimalism with comfort. Every inch of space is used efficiently, yet it never feels overwhelming or cluttered. It's the perfect example of how you can live simply without sacrificing beauty or functionality. And wow, just look at this bathroom. It's absolutely stunning. The combination of warm wooden texture, sleek modern fixture, and that massive window overlooking the forest creates such a relaxing and luxurious atmosphere. This is not just a bathroom, it's a private spa retreat in the middle of nature. And what immediately stands out here is the balance between modern minimalism and natural warmth. The solid flat ceiling gives the space a clean and structured look, while the wooden walls bring in the cozy, cabin-like feel. And with these large glass windows on the walls, you get an uninterrupted view of the forest outside. Imagine soaking in the tub while surrounded by nature, absolutely perfection. Now let's talk about the bathtub. This is no ordinary tub. It's a luxury soaking tub, deep enough for a full relaxing bath. Just picture yourself sinking into warm water after a long day with nothing but the sound of the trees swaying outside. The setup is like having a high-end resort experience right at home. And even the toilet are maintains the same sleek modern designs. It's minimal yet elegant, perfectly blending with the overall aesthetic of the house. Everything is thoughtfully placed, making the most of the compact space without feeling cramped. And here we have the vanity area. The sink, or wastafel, is stylish and modern, complementing the mirror above it. There is just enough countertop space for essential, making it both functional and aesthetically pleasing. And with this well-placed mirror, the natural light bouncing off it makes the bathroom feel even more spacious. And ventilation is the key in any bathroom. And this one is equipped with an efficient exhaust fan to keep the fresh air and prevent moisture build-up. Plus, the lighting here is just perfect, bright enough for daily use, but soft enough to maintain that calming spa-like ambience. What I love most about this space is how it merges luxury with nature. You get a fully functional, high-end bathroom without losing that connection to the outdoors. The large window makes sure of that, giving you a view of the serene forest while still maintaining privacy. And okay, well, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now, only focus on the theme of material and color composition. This does not mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and synchronized layout between the exterior and also interior. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you about useful ideas and useful information and inspiration. Thanks for watching and thanks for enjoying this video until the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. And don't forget to subscribe this channel and just wait for my next video and have a good day.